Okay, this video is about adding sound effects. If you added voiceover, this will be very familiar and easy. So I'm going to go over this part of it. Remember, sound effects is in the music one, and there's free sound effects and premium. So we're going to go there. Now you're just going to have to look and see if there's any that actually fit your video. Okay, there's a few animals in here. Nature, there might be something in nature for you. I know some of you, a couple of you have a cave that might work there. I am going to do a summer afternoon, and I'm going to do it right here. I've got a bird, and there's birds chirping and stuff in the background. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this down and notice how long it is. Okay, it's way longer than my bird slide. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of put it on there, and I'm going to play it. And you know, how do I have an extra voice over here. Okay, I'm going to play it to see which part I want to add. You know what? It all sounds pretty good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, just like the music when it was too long, I'm going to just grab it and scoot it in to the sound that I want. I'm going to move it over, and notice how I can kind of see how it lines up, so I know just how long to make it. Okay, so I'm going to back this up. I'm going to try it again. I like it, except the music is too loud. So this is what we did when we did voiceover, in case you've already done that, is what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my mouse, I'm going to click up on the music right here, and I'm going to lower the volume by clicking right on that blue line, and I need to make 2 clicks on either side. And it's gonna take a little practice. You're gonna bring the inside ones down, and I may not make it all the way quiet. Now, if you go wonky way over here, just take it and bring it back, okay? And I'm going to see what that sounds like. You know, I think I want this actually a lot quieter. Try it again. Much better. I'm going to make that a little bit more gradual coming back though. Okay, so anywhere you can find something that fits your video, remember it has to fit, then absolutely go for it and enjoy this. It's going to be a really cool video, so have fun.